Good morning, everyone. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Suti Golpa. So this is take 2. First take, I was supposed to take up the camera like this and then show you around, but that was a fail. So right now I am in my farm area. This is our poultry farm. This is a small pond we have. There are some vegetables up there. Then let me show you around. Our house is there somewhere next compound. This is where we enter. We have some vegetables here also. This house, sometimes I stay here as well. So today's video is not about our farm. My friend Banita and her husband Suman, they stay in Dibrugarh and they are in Guwahati for some work. They have a YouTube channel which is called Imperfect Media. So they thought of exploring some new places as well, and they have asked me to become their guide for today. So I'm planning to take them around to this place and then this place. But for now I have to start walking because they will come to Bijayanagar and they will pick me up from there. So we'll start our journey from that place. So our first destination for today is the waterfall at Baregaon. The road to reach the Baregaon waterfall is the same as the road which leads to Sandhubi and Rani Khamar. Once you cross the road which leads to Sandhubi picnic spot, look for this signboard and continue your journey towards Rani Khamar. As I have already made a couple of videos on this road when I came to Sandhubi and the Rani Khamar waterfall, I am including very few clips of this road in this video. I will leave a link of the videos in the description so that you can check those out as well. From this point, you have to take a left to reach the Baregaon waterfall. If you continue straight, you will reach the Rani Khamar picnic spot. From there, you can access the Rani Khamar waterfall as well. The weather was very nice and we had a fun time exploring this beautiful waterfall. Once we are done making some videos, we sat there for some time, had some food, and then it was time to take them to the next destination. As there was not much time to take them to the Rani Khamar waterfall, I took them to the Rani Khamar picnic spot. As I have mentioned before, Banita and Suman has a YouTube channel which is called Imperfect Media. They have been making videos on travel and lifestyle from past 1.5 years now. I will leave a link of their channel in the description so that you can check their videos as well. Borokhun! After spending some time at this place, it started raining and it was time for us to go back home.